Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go ahead and show you a special purchase that I made from the Morphe store online. I was able to find this product on sale, so of course I had to pick it up. Red Belt Master Professional Brush Series. And I am going to go ahead and throw a link for the product below in the description of the video, so go ahead and check it out if you're interested. I'm just unwrapping it now and it's open its mouth. Look at this shiny red leather. Just look at that. I love it. I love shine. I still like pleather. Hi. Perfect for me. If it's green, it'd be like spot on. Okay. So it is folded. I'm so excited. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Get it. So for those of you who don't know, I recently became a makeup artist. So I really needed to just kind of start again and get my professional set going. And of course, being the beauty on a budget, I don't have all this free money to just spend and get it out there. I know it might seem like it, but I honestly try to find things that are worth the money. And if I can, find products that I'm interested in on sale, you know? Who can beat a good sale? Who can turn down a good sale? Ever. The nice little belt. I'm not gonna try that on today because y'all don't need to see this right now. I don't think you can handle it. Not yet anyway. But we do have a 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say it's like 20 brushes, I believe. 20-piece brush set of the professional, so that way I can start finally having my own personal set and then having basically my base kit that I can start working on others for. That's why I purchased this, and the fact that I found it for $20 off. $20 off. I actually saved more than that because I got a coupon, but I digress. $20 off. $20 off. $20 off. $20 off. Gorgeous. Love it. I didn't even get it on the holiday like clearance sale or anything like that. Like it's still on the site for sale. And so if you guys are interested or if you guys need a set, I mean, I know I got it for $60. That is a lot of money up front, but if you're serious about doing it for other people, you need to start somewhere. This is again just the base collection, which I am then going to later on and expand on. And if I need to get upgraded versions or different versions or multiple of the same brushes, then I have a possibility to do so. Because remember, we all have to start somewhere. So why not start here with this? Oh my God. Piece of work. This big guy. Okay. So, oh, fantastic. Okay. As you guys may or may not have known, I did actually find some Morphe makeup brush sets that were on deep discount, so I ended up picking them up. Upon unwrapping them, there was no product description in the box. The products were actually taken offline, so I couldn't even look up the product description there. I can't find it on their website. And for those of you who don't know, Morphe does tend to number each brush so that way you know what you need when you go into the store. I absolutely love that. Love it. Don't ever stop. The brushes that I bought last time did not have any numbers on it, so I kind of had to, you know, which one's this one? Huh? I'm not that familiar with the brushes yet. I am, but I don't know them by heart. For this gorgeous brush set, they're numbered. Turn it over this way. Maybe that would actually help if you know you can read. There you go. See, they're numbered. So it has the Morphe logo and then the numbers there. Again, it is just the synthetic very, very soft, all black brush. It looks like all of them are all pure black. Let's see what this other one is. So this particular one that I had opened was an MB2. Now, this other guy. Okay, I got a couple of flyaways here, a little bit of flyaways. It might just be the static electricity. We'll see if I can reshape the brush later, but this is the MB1. Okay. You know what, let's just open them all up. We have an MB5. A little square one. Oh, I have a loose hair. That's okay. Now, if you guys see me twisting this, it's because I was reading online that one of the review I saw online said that they bought the brushes, but then the handles or the heads of the brush were actually loose. So far, 3 of 3, I'm good. Cross fingers that they're all like that and they're all fine, and maybe that person just got a faulty product, which is awful and terrible, and I hope they were able to somehow work it out with Morphe, whether it was a return or an exchange, you know, who knows. We have an MB4. Now, I like with this packaging that when it was folded in half like this, there's actually a crease here in the middle, so no brushes were folded and misshapen because of this crease. In the other brushes I had purchased prior, when it was rolled, brushes were caught in the folds and they were misshapen, so they were essentially unusable. I couldn't reshape them back to the way they were. Some of them I was able to salvage, some of them not. So some of them just kind of became my fun, I want to play with type brushes. So you always got to be careful of that and always take that into consideration as well. MB20. We also have the MB18. And again, all of these are individually wrapped, so I have a nice little stack going already of things that need to go in the trash pile. Another one here. And this one is the MB22. Ooh, I actually have this one already separately, so I'm super excited I got a new one. This one is the MB21. It is the angled brush. So don't worry, that one is supposed to be like that. For those of you who may not know, who may be unfamiliar with it, that one's okay. MB26, the little guy. See it? The pockets in here, they're pretty big. I don't know if you guys can see here, but the brushes do have some room, and there's also another little insert here where maybe I could put like makeup wipes or things of that nature, maybe business cards, you know, which may or may not be coming soon. MB19, this little guy here. Well, this is a nice angled one. I like it a lot. I don't have one of their, yes I do, what am I talking about? Well, not one that looks this long, I don't think. But here's the MB32. Nice little angle brush. I love a good angle brush. This one is the MB27. So it's a nice little round guy. See that? Ooh. I like how this one comes to a point, and even though I'm trying to do this to, like, you know, see how soft it is, it sticks to that point, which is good. It's gonna keep its shape. B16. This one, ooh, Fluffy. Hello, Fluffy. MB23. Fluffy. Fluffy. We have the MB10. I have one like this in one of my other collections. I use it quite often. I spoke too soon. I have one. I did that whole bunch thus far. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 more brushes left to go, and so far I have 1 disfigured brush. What is that? What is that? Somebody explain, what is that? Why? 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 This is the, oh my god, I'm mad. That just kills the magic, you know? But I'm hoping again that I can reshape it. It was probably just sitting in packaging, maybe it just needs to breathe. But this is again the MB17. So you can see here what it was supposed to look like. And then there's a huge divot where the whole brush just kind of but one so far isn't that bad. I'm not happy about it, but I've also seen worse. Oh my God. Please tell me you're not misshapen. Please tell me you're not misshapen. This is the MB33 and you are not misshapen. You have a few flyaways, which again could just be the static electricity, but babe, you are not misshapen. You just need to breathe a little bit. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that shine. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Just like fan myself with this thing, just like, yes, 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 girl. This is the MB33. I love it. You guys ever been inspired by something? Whether you see a sunny day or you hear a good song and it just gets those creative juices flowing, that's honestly what this belt is doing for me. I cannot wait to just start creating again. Okay, I'm like really tempted to kind of wipe this off and just start over. Okay, so this is the MB15. Look right here. Okay, one thing about this particular brush, the handle's a little bit wider, but it actually matches the width of the brush up here, the bristles. So I actually like that. And again, still no problems with the heads being loose. So like I said, it's gonna be number 9. Got a little pointer there. Very, very soft. Just imagine just rubbing this on your face. Just, love it. Last one. MB8. It's my set, and some of them are falling because I had it sitting on my lap. But again, that completes my set. I can't wait to start creating. And finally, I get to have my own professional set when I do other people's makeup. This is gonna be fantastic, guys. I can't wait. It's just another step in this empire we're gonna build together. So again, if you like what you saw, please like the video and hit that subscribe button below. Never forget to let your inner beauty shine always, because let me tell you, no amount of concealer and no amount of lipstick or mascara is gonna cover up an ugly attitude, okay? All right, guys, I will see you next time. And if you're interested again in the red belt set, I am gonna have that link in the description below. So take care, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.